I'm going to try and make my indicators a bit louder. This is what they sound like now. Which is okay, except when you've got the windows down. I bought one of these portable voice amplifiers. Contains a speaker and a headset and a microphone. First thing we need to do is get rid of the headpiece up here. Then we need to get at the flasher unit, which is somewhere around about here. So we need to take some of the dash trim away. There's the flasher unit. Just need to get that out. It's never easy. So there's the flash unit, and we're going to attach the microphone of the voice amplifier to that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tape the microphone directly to the flash unit. Just like that. And I take this cable. Somewhere like there, and attach a USB charging cable to it. Turn on the ignition. And you can turn the volume up there, turn the hazards on.